Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to disable share button on Facebook. So to do that, head over to your Facebook application. Once you are there, just head over to the three lines icon on the top right. And in here, just go to your profile and select any post that you shared. Like as you can see, I have shared this post and it is currently locked or made only me. So I can see the share icon in here, but my friends in my Facebook account can't see this icon. So all I need to do is just to head over to the three dots icon on the top right of this post. And here go to edit privacy. And here, if I want to make it public, I can make it public or can make it friends so that they can share the post and tap on save. And yeah, this is how I can enable, this is how I can just disable or enable share button on Facebook. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next one.